Today, we are restoring these headlights back to this. Using the Cerakote Headlight Kit. Step 1. Use the oxidation wipes. Look at the residue on the wipe. Next, we are going to grab the 2000 grit sandpaper. Spray the area with water and start sanding for about 4 to 5 minutes as needed. You want to make sure it's all hazy after you are done sanding. Once it's all uniform, move on to 3000 grit sandpaper and start the same process. Make sure you don't miss a spot. Now wipe it off and let it dry. Finally, step 3, we are applying the ceramic coating. Watch how they start clearing up like magic.